next one.
Oh, yeah. How would you classify young adult? It's a really good question. It's in Australia, and I believe it also in the UK. It's really part of children's fiction. In the US, it's its own market, so it has its own section in the bookstore. But generally, it's any fiction that's written specifically for an age group under the age of 18. And the way that they've defined it to me, which may not be everybody, is the characters need to be below the age of 18. And I started Claire out at 16 because I figured that was about the lower limit of where I could get her into college and do all the stuff I wanted to do. I know that Rick Riordan in the Percy Jackson series and Red Pyramid is probably writing for like the 9 to 12. I think I'm writing more for 14 to 18. But it's all kind of shelled together. That's loosely how it's defined, though. It's really the age of the characters. Anybody else? Yeah.
Vernon or Frank Collins? Who do you have the most fun writing?
Oh, Vernon or Frank Collins? Who do I have the most fun writing? They've become, weirdly enough, in book 10 and 11, the odd couple. So I have fun writing both of them, but Vernon definitely. I really enjoy writing him because I never know what he's going to do. I sit down to write a Vernon scene, and I have no idea how that happens. I have no plan. Except I know he has to go from A to B. And then he goes like this.